Scare away bad ideas from your Halloween merch, get trendy this year and decide which of these characters is the best option for your POD. This top 5 is based on a research of Halloween trends in best-selling pages, Amazon included as a priority, and we'll let you know who are the most scary and wanted characters perfect for this tricky season. Number 5. Rotten Food. If you are a trendsetter, this is for you. Twist the wheel in an original way with creative illustrations of evil rotten food that will make you smirk with its crazy and wicked style. Food niche is one of the biggest on Amazon, and even though you may not want to eat them, certainly it is something that you want to try to stand out in front of the crowd in a very fresh and unique way. Number 4. Cats. Some animals such as bats or spiders will never get old, but Halloween cats are definitely a one to consider since people tend to search animal costumes or pet costumes ideas throughout the season. No matter what's your style, at Placeit you can find these cute animals in almost every type of illustration, color, and with all types of expressions and activities ready for you to use. Number 3. Witchcraft. Perhaps the most classic costume is now turned into a trend due to its recent popularity in pop culture. Dark and mysterious are the perfect words to describe this trendy aesthetic. Not only the well-known dressed in black wearing a top hat witches, but the symbols, signs, phrases, or anything that involves a spell or a curse will be a perfect excuse to join the Halloween celebration this year. Number 2. Monsters. We're talking about mythical creatures like charming vampires or furry werewolves, famous movie stars like the Green Man well known as Frankenstein, creepy bloody clowns, scary ghosts, and the already legendary zombies. Honestly, no matter which one of those you choose, all of them are part of the celebration and a big keyword in terms of searches that could be a rocket for your sales. In our experience, it depends on your brand's style and what your customers relate to your brand. Number 1. Pumpkins. According to Merch by Amazon, pumpkins get the number 1 spot due to it's the best selling of the season. Since it's the most iconic and easy to recognize object in Halloween, there's no way to go wrong when you're using this orange and smiley vegetable. Besides, it's a classic and a family-friendly symbol that will never get old. Depending on the illustration, you can choose a cute, funny, spooky, scary, or even fashionable personality for this character to suit perfectly with your brand's identity. So now you know, join the celebration this year, let any of these characters invade your business. Go and visit Placeit to get access to any of these characters, and even get more options. Besides, you can find high quality mockups to code your business with the magic of the season. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe.